Yedi kan aye no a mobile mumu bebre mu say near a t-shirt. Ya to be the talking t-shirt campaign. T-shirt kasa actually nipa. And maybe krampo the chempo aka ho. And he say who t-shirt na ya draw enkofukuru mienu. Ba ko aka ho abom say sebi o mo de o mo ka sebi o mo ka nipa ho. Ena o mama ba ko ate no ho say on de sebi on ka nipa ho. Ona ye na yikemu no. Ana e de segment no ho no. Enti hu sa draw we na we t-shirt no a utunu say eka edinfoni ka bibi a kyerɛw sɛ yenye ne sa yenye yimu yenye yikamu yemfa kutwa ana ekuro ntu obi ho yemfa segment obi ho ɛnna wɔn yi ma kenkan no nso behu wɔ t-shirt ni mu sɛ ya kyerɛw bibi wɔ brofo kasɛm photo kasɛm sɛ don't stigmatize, emphasize ɛkyerɛ sɛ enye obi ayikemu na emum hu sɛ ebetumi ato na nka yewo a nka abaye dey nti ne di kan ne the talking t-shirt campaign t-shirt sha akasa kire ni kwan na make t-shirt ni so na kese billboard sticker poster ne ade nyina so betita ho ye ba ko ye to so mienu aye ne woni ne ye ade na ba ko fia senti semtrofo ebe boye ni atletre nsemu ende ebe ya abusu mienu kwa ne eguso ye ebe ya kopimra beto timamufo trim se yare no sebi enyehu na yekan hu bo mu se nipa ba ko ebetumi akon na obi nya bia yenye na yikemu ana emfa kutwa na akamonto no ho enti media base ye be ya ne mo na mo beboaye se ne da mo boaye no enna ne etwa to kura wo miensa no no eye bibia ye frɛ no oye kyerɛ brofuka se me frɛ no drama sketches oye kyerɛ ti sɛ yenuanu a wokuma wo ani yenuanu a omo yake yiti abesema kola yenuam abeka bom aye ye kyerɛ ama ye kyerɛ ni bia kyerɛ sɛ Ghana ni sɛ bia wo ye organizer sɛ bia wo ye police sɛ bia wo ton bia no mantem sɛ bia wo bo concrete sɛ bia wo ye construction sɛ bia wo ye bank adwuma ye be ye kyerɛ sɛ bia wo bia ne tibia wo bia mo no ye enkyerɛ ama ohu sɛ ade akyerɛ wo sɛ yare no ebetumi aye obia na ye obia nso a yenka mu asanipa ba ko musa we yade na wo de to nipa brabo ho ya da ne da ho ya etimi ma onya agensa kyerɛ enti obisa ya na kwan miensa ye di kan t-shirt and the talking t-shirt campaign ne to so mienu aye media base ana sense ntro ai no be ne to so miensa aye drama and sketches kufi nti bisa ya minia masichere no
budget say na much for this campaign
yeah mini ya kufi asanti interview na mini kufi de oni ya mfa ho ni kwa kufi mentani fo ma ho kwa say me de ho sika ba tujasa nti de fache me
I say but at least say
abi ba ko ma me kwa anka ne ka meka no say assembly no covid by any ade say kufi wa o de ye no bibia no na ye and the sometimes questions ko be say me say inside information I dey bisa we say yeah revenues and I say it's customer conform lockdown by and by some of the year about not just say I feel na Ghana Revenue Authority we say if you asuna say a omo ye hwe mu say wadwuma akose ni ade ansana osumye nsachi no April beginning I say the they la bro on start agidiska and so time na partial lockdown or if you are saying yeah assembly yeah IGF an internal generated fund kufi enye so wa wonim na ejuma etimi titru abedi samene adofo ene omo yemye na abedumi omdumi enso pepepe chief executive de onchen ho kra no osan musa mfa nkomo omo hia nti ba na ko nti aboafo na aso emu a bebre ni bodi a meyi bi efrim yi bi fimi so a menya sem nti ye be stress me mfa wo kasa fidie no question ade bi sa me se sila ye be stress amanfo meboaye titru campaign ayeye if you say bia they say me fancy any kuma would for a co-location zero to Chitua. It being you, being here, Diane, and actors non baby kakra, Kama Yako High, near the Tina, Ibn Yamwa, and T. Ubia, Uti, na or Pepe, or Peso Boa, Nase, Scientist Sigma campaign, Quenimono. Miss Rao came as say, Ubaha, and I say, only making contact her. The chief executive or your coordinating director, and I'm here Ampuno, you bet me Abuama, Wabua Dia de Babuano, you be soon near the Betty Johnson, near the base and you say, dear, if you intimidate the class or the far home army.
Doctor, Medawase, na Bibi Hona Red Bichatua, Nayam Fan Communisia.
Kufi Medawase, na America say, Fair Saya Bay. A chere nyuma mino a chere say nyame ne hene if you say yare bai onu ana dumni yakrabo a ye friend immune system no enu na kutia yare ne kese nti immune system futu a me de be man say inia didi aduane ana odi na Ghana aduane no ahoden wom kuntumre dawada kwensu sawa beans didiye numusio jiwa home se uye jumewi anaye se su jiwa home da na udidiye numusio na jiwa home ya omi sister no bekoso na muwa ne mfanko yare na se impo se nyame amuwa kurampo na unfortunately winya yare ne bia enchese obi definitely ni low na ho beto na ho ton so a ekisi nyina ye bom na yesan be kabusua ne adofo ho na ye lead your life ofi medase
Dr. Neskako yebeda wase bibini yebe Santon Safro Dr. Neskako doctor ni ewo konfanache abanya sabia but nano pedi ene kasai say a member of the Kumasi Metro Task Force of the COVID-19. 10 minutes past 7, live on Ishra 104.5 FM. Kwe Facebook page Ishra 104.5 FM. Now do I drink Abrayan. Ebeko the new patriotic party. Ebeko akubisa womo inshisha for the party's primaries arrangement and of course matters arising. Sanso and the former deputy finance minister Ora Kesato Forsen Kasa on Asampa Nenra. Now we raise concern say aban ejijiska chasa de boa COVID-19 aban release ska aban kobo bosiane ade omeya proper accounting. And I say nkunta emfama oman Ghana na yehu because omujiri siskano ye dodo na chasa abande ye no enye no enwo de eye yentie eye ato Forsen ewo Asampa ye ba ye behwe na fi yakọ the MPP yakọ akodi nkomo enso mo afidie no ena ha
10 million Ghana cedis na ye where you do to it's ban hot food yes one hwehwem. And number 2, it could see 40.3 million Ghana cedis. Or what the man Ghana National Buffer Stocks
yes.
Company. The one for dry food stuffs, dry food. Want to chairman kofu. And a kaya in sooner your supply.
Yes.
I'm paying a there over supply. No, there's a component our catcher and there. Or your lockdown period. No, we will use no what or your tankers. Both privately owned and publicly owned. The one from Sunsu, one from Kobe Sebe in Sunyo, within the lockdown area. No, yeah, also Yadaka, there also you pay audit on it. And let me tell you why we want audit. And we've just sent a letter to the audit service. It was signed by myself and the Honorable Chief Whip
Muntaka Mubarak. Okay.
Let me say something why we are asking for an audit. Obiakaya, you will come here. Virus obey.
Yes.
In fact, we never anticipated the Obodu Kromha. We all thought that look, at the time now virus in Yetsenenka last year no, it was far away China. And nobody thought as much that it was getting close. Now you want a virus Obodu Hanom paying starting okay. We release 100 million. Wakacha finance minister release $100 million. The budget no we keeping safe.
Yes.
Now Adibi Obayeno just to deal with the coronavirus issues. Mampini Ken, no. Finance Minister Oba Parliament, subsequent to that, Oba Mpini Ken, Oba Parliament, no say. Young man can no spend the sika 1.2 billion Ghana cedis. On ska hakrabo. The 1.2 billion Ghana cedis no chemide or the 600 million Ghana cedis no, which is half. Or what akwaye bibi ofre no or stimulus package. Yes. Obi enye ya kada won it because we know that them stimulus package no one started the sebe but this best in abedin time audit at this time because it is not feasible, it is not right. But what is right in that we are demanding there should be a policy document to govern it. In the ya kan wase the ya kan there here na yin the finance minister of parliament no be ka kire hende abana babako country babako lockdown or there what protect the vulnerable in the society before the lockdown can be successful because obi only that day obi never share them obi wo house one code mo ndidi so the whole idea is so they get Ghana sika wo sika maso sika you do sika bi to ho no be make sure there protocols now already here now you observing the ordinary person can also observe because without a mbwai ambwana unto observe them protocols so okay change with sika 40 million Ghana cedis what the boto ban what am Ghana for we were vulnerable vulnerable what the lockdown areas one Kumasi Accra Tema
and some part of Kaswa
and Kaswa and Ashama so come okay into them areas yinyim de sika or what they to sika what all the bond that come on so we are talking of 40 million. Then again, okay, change what is 40.3 million Ghana cedis. What the National Buffer Stocks Company. The one to foodstuffs, dry food. No one sounds one teacher manco for no one for needs ban for themselves. Bibia on your bono. They were all happy. And then when we are not in there, or the 200 million Ghana cedis, them 200 million, 100 million Ghana cedis. No be or babun suda come madam coffee within the lockdown period. Lockdown lasted for about 3 weeks, isn't it?
It was for 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes.
Them 3 weeks na lockdown will end day, you know. Within the lockdown, during the time of the lockdown, Obi Awokrumha, it's a small kodo it's banchemo in a very haphazard manner. Very haphazard manner. Well, why not today? Obi mo kemo hade wa kan pe bebregum protocols na you observe no krampo no follow them basic protocol to share the food. Rate na what chair no one change ban ye. It's ban baby baby so go to the way needs ban bi ndi Ghana sika na yetwa to one for near the medbanin na da oyem one woman there after one lifted lockdown 3 weeks after one lifted lockdown Obi Silver FM ewo Kumasi were reported there Tafo Prankron market women what's it oye assembly no element of assembly no what is it called the chefwa x what abraham the when what can tree kusia the what abraham the 1 ton no one physical don't come on so what and they know that the minimum oil relief items they were part of the 40 million na you try to what the 1 for needs banman from bado now only ye kakrebi amena oyate. So we cannot sit unconcerned as we speak. No government officer waba out waba catch him no no car no no car oye Messiafuna Walker. In the Messiafuna Walker, or market woman. We play the tape at the final. I heard the tape. Yes,
but we don't know the identity of the people speaking.
No, how do we believe? So, and that is why we are saying that here you catch a Silver FM.
Yes,
no one reporter no call.
Yes,
so obey your right today. Obey your right then. Kabana bibi demen. So but my shim. Sisi abana wife on kasa. Nobody is talking about it. To the extent the presiding member no our assembly honumpo at the station no wababa confirm situation do orukodo na abasemi I mean to the extent that time nimpa no ho akere na obi even ordinary Ghanaians mpo no what won kotokum sika nkofo won ready ban man nkofo and government functionary awo abanni nimpa na what the taxpayers money would do your kawo no you think that is the time to profit another benye sika sho kotokum obi you think is right on your right. However
we don't know the government functionary involved.
Oh, but they mentioned the municipal. They mentioned the municipal chief executive in
the tape.
In the tape. In Yaminamaka. What one is in what tape no more. That's why one is in what tape no more. That's all. All we decided on Kawasam. A regional minister on Kawasam. A bank can have local government minister on Kawasam. President on Kawasam. And you think that you're on your phone.
But on about so far there, President put order on my order. They won't go in. Who are you going to contact? When I'm a witness, market woman.
No, but that is why we are calling for an audit. So you see, audit we are calling for. We are not calling for a normal audit. There was standard audit. We are saying that Auditor General no. In the interest of the nation.
Yes.
Ghana ni yinti Auditor General October no onye then on commission audit into special activities. But obi do my ro in day one. That's why you can answer me. Lockdown you left you left in 20th of April.
Yes.
It's about 6 weeks. Yes, work about 2 weeks to 1 month. In fact, end the year third, the work approximately 14 days. Which is 2 weeks. No, why 1 month?
Why
2 months?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So let me put it this way: work 16 weeks, 6 weeks since our left lockdown. President Nchon Ihan Kasa. Aberdeen Tina Daya Kanye in common paying over catcher and Sikana would try and also. We try to one. The what about Ghana for no. Yamin child me left lockdown we no. The Mexican was spending up and the man my Ghana for Wakuma.
But honorable, the food distribution was put under a ministry.
So Aberdeen's a ministry number come.
Now why the parliament won't call a minister?
But you see,
parliament.
And that is where ended the come some more.
Yes.
And then I said time I kasa your friend press briefing
on Monday.
On Monday.
Yeah.
You many joy from the
yes.
We minority members, request for a statement
from the minister.
From the minister Nombra. You were in the parliament. Why then we issue statement today? You request or your friend offended. Request. This is a copy of the letter of your request. Parliament of Ghana form for notice of question. Okay. This is a form, and I'm giving to you. So, and the name of the member, Kobina Minta Akando.
Okay.
Kobina Minta Akando, no, only the MP for Dwaboso and the ranking member of the Health Committee.
On the Health Committee.
Because Finance Committee, no,
yes.
But implementation agencies, no, only the sectors, no.
Yes.
Asma ya kan me, or your sector, no. Ekaya omampanyina some okechre hen in the okechre hen the we physical 100 million at all. Based on this $100 million in nature no ansana oye wo friend then finance minister of parliament. And so finance minister parliament no be no oje ne power fee omampanyina ho.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. And based on omampanyina 100 million kwabra minta akando asama okan there opedo ohun oye the details apart from the bisa oye your friend then kwana ministry no were prepared towards coronavirus issues no something said breakdown what's it and the details of how the $100 million announced by the president will be spent.
But a different from
it is
the 1.2 billion.
It is not different.
Why is it not?
Now, let me tell you why it is not different. The $100 million now I'm paying okay to her.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Only the source of finance minister in the document. Okay. 1.2 no as we speak no. The 600 million no or your stimulus.
Yes.
That is a different matter.
Yes.
The remaining 600 million no. The remaining 600 million no. No awkward directly to the into the coronavirus issue, into the Tibana. So the $100 million here capacity is equivalent to
600 million.
Yes. And that 600 million no deal with one. Offended them 280 million. Yes, so you see, it's 1.2.
Yeah.
The remaining 600 million on your friend and stimulus package. Another 600 million all related directly to the lockdown issues. Directly. Health workers, so what makes it different? It is not different. And so the question was, all did them break down where we know in now Parliament you be a question. But in any way, I'm a be. I was per the rules of Parliament. Ghana Parliament yembra numun. Yembra numun ye day. So this a questioner only day question about 3 weeks ago. But the question is so your urgent questioner only the about 3 days. Question what you have urgent question.
Yeah, urgent.
I can give it to you. Urgent question.
Yes.
So Aberdeen and that making or answer question or your 13th of March 2020. 13th of March 2020 no be say
no final question.
The clerk to Parliament or Jetro or signing the 17th of the 3rd 2020.
Yeah, 17th March 2020.
2020. Yeah. Since then Aberdeen want admit a question. Aberdeen one admit a question, and then Parliament, your friend then Public Affairs Committee will release statement today. Your friend then a minority no one will be a question there. Since when? And the Parliament or Public Affairs Committee no whereby only one side of Parliament. Since when? Since when? The Parliamentary Service or your service be our you do Parliament to be there for all of us. All of a sudden, what an appendix of MPP, an appendix of your majority side of government. And I say, why appendix? Okay, recently, you have majority minority leader, the Honorable Haruna Idrisu. Or throw the same coronavirus here, or throw letter to come as Speaker of Parliament. Okay, no, in position. The same parliamentary service for Babakade. Oh, a letter now, or throw one son came. Honorable Haruna Idrisu or the evidence or the buy. One day, they will be signing you, the same people. Wababaman Line or the minority leader. What's okay on there? They only saw it first at the social media. What? Wababaman Line recently, Honorable Muntaka Mobrak. We know about some no see or parliamentary service them public affairs department here obeka hende about the coronavirus nesi parliament on no kwa or no kwa. It took only one brave man, Honorable Muntaka Mobrak, to come and tell us what is going on. As me can no so why are we hiding it? Yeah. Why are we hiding it? Honorable Muntaka I heard him say that. Okay, so as some in that parliamentary service what was the difference? So parliamentary service all of a sudden why would you go in quarantine? I mean, look, parliamentary service a public affairs department. You are supposed to speak for the image of Parliament. You are all of a sudden become an appendix of an MP.
But say it's a parliamentary service and that statement I would be. Don't you think that even beyond the 13th March request I can do if you wanted specifics on food distribution because it was under the Ministry of Gender, you could have found another question calling on the minister to come.
You don't need it since you have a question standing. Question not standing in details na you okay. In Tinkame you don't know the ambush been a melee, you don't know.
Yes.
In Tisenka all the details in the bar and then the other questions will flow in. So you ask a question. I de ebisama sama na de mabet na hade e bia wo motive anka said mabet na no chwa wutim nti wo sa come here no then you access certain questions. So there's a question standing abadin to number answer question no per our rules we are supposed to then we be a question no 3 days nkodo butumi urgent question the only urgent butum a delay up to 3 months
at the time of filing this question now the issue of food distribution
you see the non starting.
Yes.
So Aberdeen number answering. That's the question. Because we know there's a baby them question here or answer them question here. We will have the opportunity to ask more. So I'll answer them question here because of the details in Ababa. Details in Ababa. Because first, time will be saying the president on him okay, in terms of president in the room. Na main cabinet into president first of all out to make announcement. And even the plan finance minister subsequently or the paper or the other parliament because president Nanka son to November parliament. Yes, we respect that or the other parliament. Maybe it's a question I can make reference to the first statement that president said and then get the details and based on them details and send many follow-up questions. So in Shamusumitrim, the same way Musumicha won't into question and maybe said, first of all, answer it. I thought then parliamentary service friend
one statement
public affairs statement. In first of all, no Quebec sorry the young question here answering young for Bimbai number. Why are they failing in the first place? To bring somebody to answer this.
To answer this question.
Anything about accountability, Eka, Asma Mikain, Makabana, Mashibia Hoba, Mishabia Hoba. It be Sabibi accountability, and Abani in the session.
We'll come to the details of accountability, no? But Honorable, there. If this strategy has failed, i.e., getting the finance minister to come to the floor,
correct,
to come
health
and answer
minister.
To one question, health minister.
Okay, finance minister, you don't spend this can.
Okay, so
no allocate it. Can you know the ban? You know a health ministry. They work with them. Into one other way. They will ask them. The finance minister is not the one we are.
It's not the one you are looking for. No.
In this request, the people that actually spent the money.
So the health minister,
the gender minister. Yes, they should tell us.
Okay, it is a Wamba. Do you think the appropriate route now is the Auditor General when you know the law is clear on when the Auditor General should do?
Okay, let me tell you something. So about answer question.
Yes.
On nkyerɛ dɛ pass the test of accountability mpo.
Okay.
So about answer question one more idea what you are looking for.
Okay.
The devil is in the details.
It's in the details.
I know I prepare no question. Why be maximum 2 hours, 1 hour, maybe no question oko. What can I say no oko? You still probably will have to follow up. The other kind of looking at in some CCC I don't know. And a ban after we spend the second 6 weeks about Besonoko on Becca BB and Ghana phone. Auditor General. This is a special audit. We are not calling for the normal audit. No, we are not calling for the normal audit. We are saying that, and the law allows, in the interest of the nation, say a special auditor, if in Yama be brain, you see, canon could say, on man will soon be film. As I was soon in there, you find the process I have your shades ban. Don't you think that? Yamin Father member, the Danchi be the Massimo Sibiwa, yes, sure, there, one casa obi. Wakumemuno, Marana. Don't you think that we should improve on it?
Yeah, there should be an improvement.
There should be an improvement. And how do we improve? Auditing but much handed the Mukwana Yafadon as a country, and we have to go ahead and then yam for different route. There are systems in place. You put a proper systems in place. Proper systems. It is not yet time. As men be say, min could be no. As men be say, my job as a member of parliament is to have an oversight. Masha banning nisikasem public fund. Yabosha kwana. Sikana go try to one. Sebe onye president and I do danko kufa do niska. Sebe onye minister of health and a kenoforiata and minister onye minister bianiska. Onye Ghana pina niska. My job ba what abamam de mon konkot na homi nyen de. O de mo kokohwede e kwana aban nisika ba febiano de datutu yi. Ono na yebisa ho question. Na yebisa dem question na mbisa obias. E kan se me pe na aban na ne yebisa.
Honorable Nkrumah cared that it is not yet time in contest, and maybe I would invite you to the Constitution in the honor Obatna Hakriya Okoti Article 187, 2 and 5. Inti Article 187, 1 Nimpo Kade, there shall be an Auditor General of Ghana whose office shall be a public office. 2 is there. The public account of Ghana and of all public offices, including the courts, the central and local government administrations, of the universities and public institutions of like nature, of any public corporation or other body or organization established by an act of parliament, shall be audited and reported on by the Auditor General. 5, listen there. The Auditor General shall,
and deadline or those submitting a report by parliament. That is a deadline.
6 months.
6 months
after the end
submission
of the
of report.
And now, who you want?
Okay, I was for way a Castle to Fosson and I'm telling Cano on Quine or Judis are buying a fasu a Disney Sika intimate Mwa na Ghana for Enyahum and Tiasia. Mabcho a jeb, yes, Jebiato, a kukufu achramade. Fire service for ETA and Idioma or more in Sakan Krea Chakakra, Kukufu Achramade, but quite Kufu Achramade, a Jebiato, and fire service for a bang area Honina and Idimu, Muntuana Mona, Monconcobua. Now, young faster, Emma, a mobile copia, Ubia, I don't know who, Atoso, a fortune rise. Na, a mono ed said